beautiful coastal cottage with spacious open floor plan just minutes from the beach. This home features durable, easy-to-maintain vinyl flooring throughout, stainless appliances, refrigerator included, granite countertops, a split floor plan. The 3 guest bedrooms are at the front of the home. Primary suite is located at the back of the home with ensuite bath with a double sink, vanity, soaking tub, separate shower, large walk-in closet. Home is built Gold Fortified, which may save buyers on their homeowner's insurance. Comes with a smart home package. Excellent Foley location with quick access to the gorgeous coastal Alabama beaches, near shopping, restaurants, entertainment and all that Foley has to offer.